Innovation to adaptation, startup to boost economic growth. Innovation adaptation is the need of our today's scenario in which our experts used to take out the best from existing things to innovate as well as adapt them for the need of our generation. A startup is a company which is just started by one or more entrepreneur. If I would set up a startup, that would be of smartphone industry because of the following reasons. None of the smartphones are manufactured in India, but they are assembled in India. All the spare parts come from China, Taiwan, South Korea, and several other countries. These countries assemble smartphones to get tax benefits from our government. Trade deficit means a country is buying more goods and services than it is selling, or it is a situation when value of country's imports with respect to its export is very less. In financial year 2019 and 20, the difference between the imports and exports is of rupees 56,089.4 crores, which is a very huge amount. Excluding a few premium companies, all the Indian local brands buy their phone from Chinese ODM, be it Micromax, Carbon, or much more companies. They do not have even research and development network in India. Public anger over India-China face-off increase. Now 87% of the Indians are ready to buy Indian products only. So it is a good time to set up a startup of smartphones as people will buy them in large amount. Or for setting up a startup, I will take the help of government as there are many schemes launched by the government which provide loans. Some of the schemes are MSME business loans or Mudra loans. The difficulty which we can face that a smartphone needs chip in every part of it, and making up of a chip requires sand. We have abundance of sand, but we do not have the equipments which are needed to convert sand into a chip. So we have to buy the equipments from the foreign countries. It will be a good opportunity for our country because there is no premium company of India's own manufacturing smartphones, and it will help us to increase employment rate in our country. No government till now is able to develop up this sector, so we being the youth of this great nation need to take our steps out of this. Thank you.